The most important part of manifestation is to express your desires, your goals. And what better way one can choose to express their desires than scripting? Hello, beautiful souls. I am Sia Jhalakjan, and welcome to the space of energy, healing, and mindset. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most famous manifestation techniques, that is scripting. And if you are someone who believes that scripting is just writing fake stories about yourself, overly romanticizing your desires, or you're tired of scripting but haven't manifested your dream results, this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know what are the common mistakes people do, what things you should actually take care of while scripting to upgrade your game of scripting. For anyone watching this video who doesn't know what scripting is, it is simply writing about your future as if it has already happened. That is, you simply step into the shoes of your future self who has achieved all of their goals, dreams, desires, and are actually living their dream life. No wishing, no hoping, no begging, just entering into your altar. And why? Because the universe and the brain doesn't understand the difference between reality and imagination. Universe just responds to the constant emotion you are living in. So let's talk about three major mistakes people do when scripting. Number one, writing from lack. If you are someone who is writing, I need more money, I want a job, I will one day be successful, you are emitting an energy of lack. You are saying that I don't have it, and the universe echoes that back. It will give you situations, scenarios, and opportunities that will lead to you saying exactly the same thing, I don't have it. So just stop. Stop emitting the energy of lack. Right? I have a beautiful house, I have a successful career, I have all the money in the world. Number two, over explaining the how. If you say I manifested this by doing this and then by doing this, just stop it. Stop it right now. Your job is to know what, not how. Leave the control, surrender. The universe will work its magic to get those things to you. Stop micromanaging things because universe works faster when you surrender and stop micromanaging the how. Number three, and the most important one, scripting once and then forgetting about it. Scripting is not just about writing, it's about an identity shift. You have to embody yourself with all the characteristics that you want your future self to be like. For example, you want to be an athlete. How does an ideal day of an athlete looks like? They wake up early in the morning, they work out, they train themselves, they eat nutritious food. Now you can't become an athlete by just simply laying in bed, eating all the junk food. You have to embody all the characteristics of an elite athlete into yourself in order to become one. So the next time you have a particular goal, for example, you want to be an entrepreneur, list down all the qualities of a successful entrepreneur and start embodying them into yourself. So now let's talk about how to script the right way. There are various ways of scripting. You can write a letter to yourself describing how proud you are of running that successful business, of owning that Mercedes, or buying a 4 BHK flat. You could write a letter thanking the universe, that thank you universe, you gave me so many opportunities because of which I am so successful today. Third, you can also write a letter to your friend explaining how happy your life is right now so that you can go into the details. The key step in scripting is clarity and emotions. You have to be as detail oriented as you can when you are writing your desire. For example, you want to buy a particular house. Instead of writing, I am so grateful for having a house, I'm so grateful that I have a house of my own now, write about the details. I'm so grateful that I have a 4 BHK house in this particular locality. My house has a beautiful ocean view. I have a beautiful balcony where my dogs runs and plays. Express all the little things you want in your house. Then comes emotion. Whenever you want to manifest something, it's not what we want to manifest. It's more about what we want to feel after manifesting it or when we are manifesting it, right? Nobody wants to just buy a house and sit and do nothing. You want to feel happy, you want to feel proud about yourself, correct? Make sure you write the emotions that I'm so proud of myself that I bought this house. I am feeling so safe, so secure that I have a house of my own in this big city of Mumbai. I feel so grateful. I feel so warm. I feel every emotion that you want, that you would feel in your house. Mention that while you're scripting. So make sure to involve clarity and emotion the next time you're scripting. Include details, include how you feel, what you have become, how does your day look when you have already achieved your desire. Now comes the final part of scripting, detachment. Make sure to surrender to the universe. Make sure to trust the divine timing of universe. Detach yourself from your desires. Do not constantly ask yourself, how will this happen? Well, when this will happen? It has not happened yet, because this will again emit the energy of lack, and the energy of desperation. I used scripting to get my desired 10th results, my 12th standard results, to get into my desired college, to manifest my dream internship, and so many areas. And trust me, everything works out in the end. Just keep belief and don't worry about it. So I hope this video gave you some clarity about how you can script, what are the mistakes and what are the key points of scripting, and definitely give it a try. So tonight, before sleeping or after watching this video, make sure you think about one desire you truly want and get into the details, get into how you feel. And if you want to share with us, you can comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a like, share with your loved ones, and make sure to follow my channel. Bye.